limit with cutting-edge, high-frequency RF. Our high-performance RF enables 5G, satellite, radar, and quantum computers, impacting your life in ways you won't even realize, helping shape the future invisibly. The supercomputers of tomorrow hold the promise of unravelling the universe's deepest mysteries, potentially heralding a new era of discovery. Filtronic's technologies play a crucial role, supplying advanced microwave technology that allows supercomputing to fulfill its purpose. Our custom RF solutions enable quantum computers to achieve peak performance, aiding in discovering cures for rare diseases, optimizing complex supply chains, and revolutionizing manufacturing. Filtronic doesn't manufacture quantum computers. We develop the technology building blocks with precision, clearing the noise for affordable, flawless quantum computing.